After discussing in the previous videos what object detection is and what it can be used for, today we want to focus on another variation of image-based AI, classification. Let's recall, object detection answers the question, is there something in the image? If so, where? And if applicable, how many times? Classification, on the other hand, answers the question, what is it? This question always refers to the entire image or a previously defined section of the image. For this video, we trained an AI model to distinguish between different cat breeds. Let's take a look at how this works. Let's start with this cat. The AI tells us this is a Turkish Angora. And for everyone who isn't familiar with cat breeds, including myself, here's the proof. Seems to be correct. Here we have a puma. Yes, that fits. A snow leopard. The AI recognizes that too. And here, clearly a lion cub. No problem for the AI either. In case you missed it, there's always a number at the bottom left next to the label. In this case, 0.97. This indicates how certain the AI is in percent that this is a lion. In this case, 97%. And what about the remaining 3%? During training, we showed the AI various images of each type of cat. Always with the note, this is a lion, this is a puma, and so on and so forth. In the end, the AI knows a certain number of cat species and, based on the images available to it, has created a kind of catalog of features for each one. When you present it with an image, you force it to decide which type of cat it probably belongs to. It then calculates a probability for each class it knows in this case. Each type of cat where the sum of all probabilities always adds up to 1 or 100%. And what about this cat here? I clearly have a Himalayan. For everyone who doesn't know the breed, this is what it looks like. And, well, the resemblance is moderate. That's also the big difference compared to object detection. If an object detection AI model is supposed to look for a cat in the excavator image, but the match isn't strong enough, then it's allowed to simply not find one. That's why classification is often used when you already know that object Y is at point X, but you're not exactly sure which variant it is. So in our example, we didn't answer the question, is this a cat, but rather, which cat is it? We'll look at a concrete example of how classification is used in quality control in the next video. If you're interested in object detection and haven't done so yet, feel free to check out the previous videos.